Well, my name is Scott Burgess. I'm a CPA. I own a small practice. Well, I found Build Your Firm basically by doing a Google search. I made a call, requested some information, ended up speaking with several alumni of Build Your Firm's different offerings, and was a little bit skeptical, but I figured for the price that it would not really be a lot of money down the drain if it didn't work out. One of the most important things that I learned in the class was sort of a new philosophy in billing your clients. It makes the cash flow on my side much easier to handle, and it really is a great selling point. That one feature of the class alone has gotten me a lot of new business. You know, the price of the program, the price of the one-day workshop, including travel expenses, for me ended up being somewhere in the $1,800 to $1,900 range. I've made more than that in the first 60 days, so the class pays for itself in no time. My experience with Build Your Firm has been so positive that it's really encouraging me to take the next step in building my practice. The people in the tech support department, the folks in the sales department, Hugh himself, Alan, the people who are teaching the class, everyone has been so good to me and so wonderful. The experience has been so positive that I just can't say enough good things about them, and I really enjoy working with those guys.